Howdy Data Nation, how's it going? Today, I'm going to walk you through how to learn marketing analytics with a couple key areas to focus on. Now, most analysts might recommend books or courses you can take, but I'm a believer in real-world experience from day one. So first up, we need to get our hands on some data. Start by gaining access to a friend or business colleague's data, or if you have the resources, build a website of your own and install Google Analytics. You can also find business owners around you who are in either the B2B or B2C space. Ask to gain access to their website and make sure that Google Analytics is installed properly. Once you're in, start poking around the Analytics interface and use Google as a resource if you get stuck on different sections. The goal here is to teach yourself the basics. Along the way, speak to other business owners in your network to find out how they're currently getting customers. With a baseline understanding, it's time to expand your knowledge. One easy way to do this is to follow my tutorials on how to configure Google Analytics and set up conversions. You can also take a variety of different courses from Google Analytics using their Google Analytics Academy interface. And everything I've mentioned so far is basically free. Now we need to set aside some time to begin monitoring Google Analytics. Note any trends, outliers, or other irregularities in the data. These will become your points of optimization. If traffic is low, look for ways to increase it from channels where your ideal buyers are hanging out. This could include social media, Google searches, email marketing, or other channels. If traffic is high but conversions are low, look for ways to optimize your website interface to make it easier for people to get in touch with you, or easier to make a purchase. Finally, I want to talk about the role of a marketing analyst. The whole point of marketing analytics is to gain a deep understanding of the buyer's journey from the time they're first exposed to your company all the way through to when they submit some contact information and then finally buy from you. Understanding everything from brand awareness down to conversion and ultimately a sale will help you go far as an analyst. Different buyers undergo different journeys on their way to a sale. B2B markets often operate a lot differently than B2C markets. Local businesses have a much different target market than a national company. The markets and media you recommend as an analyst vary wildly from client to client, but if the data is clean and well governed, it'll paint a very clear picture of the health of the organization's marketing. And that's a wrap on today's topic. What helpful nuggets have you learned that I can share with other marketing analysts? What questions do you have for me? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, subscribe to get datafied.